How to create a Stripe account for free. Well, to create your Stripe account, what you want to do is first install the Stripe dashboard application. This is the official Stripe application. You can proceed to open it up. You can select sign in and create option right away. You can select create account option. Now you need email address, you need business legal name, legal business name, business address, tax ID, bank account details, and also business description. So enter in your email address first here. Once you enter in your email address, you want to enter in your full name, and then you want to set a password, right? So once you have set up a password, you want to select your country of residence and tap on create account. So as you can see, I've set up my passwords, selected my options. You can also opt out of receiving marketing and communications, emails and such, right? Then once you select sign up, your account should be on the sign up process here. It'll take a while to load up, and then you'll have to enter in other necessary details, as I mentioned earlier, your business details and such, and you can go to the prompts to create the account. So it's pretty simple. First, you'll have to set up your emails initial setup. This is the initial setup, as you can see. Then you can proceed to head for the email verification and then other necessary setups. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.